Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on more percentages worksheet. So this video gives us a simple worksheet where we are asked to find one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. Now we've had a lesson on this particular topic and we've been given some guidelines on how to do these problems, so if you need any help, on the next slide click on the link that's supplied. It will take you to the lesson and it will give you a very good hint as to how to do all these examples. Let's have a look what's required here. Answer each of the following questions. Bill and Ben both work part-time. Bill earns $75 and Ben earns $90. What fraction of Ben's wage is Bill's wage? Number 2. In a science test, Mary scored 48 marks, Anna scored 60 marks, and Faye scored 80 marks. What percentage of Anna's marks are Mary's marks? What percentage of Faye's marks are Mary's marks? What percentage of Faye's marks are Anna's marks? Number 3. Sam earns $480 per week for his casual job. He was given a $96 increase because of his loyalty and work ethic. What percentage increase did Sam receive? So we are given guidelines here in the lesson, and that shows us exactly how to do this one. And the last one. A road race was held over 12 hours. Todd covered 90 kilometres, Paul covered 105 kilometres, and Meg covered 120 kilometres. What percentage of Paul's distance is Todd's distance? What percentage of Meg's distance is Todd's distance? What percentage of Meg's distance is Paul's distance? So this video has given us just a few problems where we can practice finding one quantity as a percentage of another, and if you need help, just click on the link on the next slide. It will take you to the lesson and it will show you how to do all of these examples.